In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted objects without undo in AutoCAD. If you've ever erased something by accident and kept working, you know that a normal undo can roll back too much of your progress. The good news is AutoCAD gives you several ways to bring back deleted content without undoing everything else. I'll walk you through them clearly so you can choose the one that fits your situation. Start with the quickest fix, the oops command. In your command line, type oops and press enter. This command restores the last set of objects you erased, even if you've run other commands since then. That's the key difference from undo. Oops targets only the most recent erase operation, so you keep all the work done afterward. Keep in mind, oops only remembers the last erase event in the current session. If you erased multiple times, it will bring back the most recent one. Also, it's intended for objects removed with the erase command, not for items permanently removed by other cleanup functions. If what you deleted was something you had copied earlier, your clipboard can save the day. Type paste clip and press enter, then click to place the objects back in your drawing. This works when those objects are still in your clipboard history from a recent copy or cut. After launching paste to clip, you'll be prompted for an insertion point. Pick a precise location and adjust rotation or scale if prompted. If nothing appears, it likely means there's nothing relevant in the clipboard anymore, so try the next method. For a broader recovery option, use the drawing's history through the recover command. Type recover, press enter, and select an autosave or backup DWG that represents the state of your project before the deletion. AutoCAD will open that file and attempt to repair and load it, bringing back your drawing as it existed at that earlier moment, including the objects you lost. This is especially helpful if the deletion happened a while ago or if a crash interrupted your work. When choosing which file to open, pick the most recent version from just before the mistake, so you minimize rework while still getting the deleted content back. To recap, try oops first for a fast restore of the last erase, use paste to clip when you had copied the objects earlier, and turn to recover to open an autosave or backup that contains the missing geometry. With these tools, you can get back on track without retracing all your steps.